Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly and today's video is sponsored by Wet n Wild. I created this makeup look using just Wet n Wild products. So if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. Enjoy. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're joining me. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial because Wet n Wild sponsored this video and provided all these gorgeous products that I used to create this look. So I hope you like it and make sure you sound off in the comments below to let me know if you do or not. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, that's all good. No problem. You're just missing out. But I'll give you a second to hit that subscribe button right now. Go right ahead. Now, I know some of you might be thinking Wet n Wild, but yes, people, many of you might know Wet n Wild as the first makeup you tried when you were younger or starting to wear makeup, or maybe you are new to makeup, you know. Well, Wet n Wild is ideal because it's super affordable, and wait till you see the gorgeous products that they have. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to tell you which one of these products are my favorite. Yes. Okay, guys, all the items that I used to create this look, I will list them below this video. So make sure you check that out. I will also have the website there where you can go if you want to purchase some of these products and a coupon code. Yes, people, you can save some money using that code. So go check it out. And that's enough talking for now, so let's get to the video. I'm starting this makeup tutorial off with no makeup whatsoever. I am not wearing a drippity drop of makeup. You can clearly see all my freckles, all my blemishes, and all that other not so cool stuff, but it's gonna get better. I am going to start off by applying the 3-in-1 primer water. It's a rose water primer that's 3-in-1, so you can use it before your makeup, to set your makeup afterwards, and also in between your makeup, so to refresh your makeup. So let's try it. This smells really good. A little more. It smells really good. Okay, next I'm going to apply my foundation using my Wet n Wild makeup sponge. And the foundation I'm using is the Photofocus foundation from Wet n Wild. This comes in 20 different shades, and the shade I'm using is Cocoa. I'm not sure if this is the right shade, but I'm just gonna go with it. I think it'll do. I'm just going to apply some quick powder to set the foundation. Always make sure to put some foundation on your neckline too, so you don't see that harsh transition. And also don't forget your ears. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Micro Brow Pencil from Wet n Wild. And it has a spoolie brush on one end and then the pencil on the other end. So I'm just going to start brushing my brows. And then I am going to pencil them in. Oh, this is the perfect color. And this brow pencil is available in 4 shades. Okay, for the eyes, I'm gonna use this palette from Wet n Wild. And it tells you very clearly what the transition, like these are the transition colors. And then you've got all your shades in there. So it makes it very easy to determine what goes where. I'm going to start with the transition color, and I'm going to try this lighter color first. this color right here. It's almost like a reddish brownish color. And I'm gonna apply that, I think, in the crease. We're gonna go with this yellow color for right here. I love how this palette has absolutely zero fallout. That's wonderful. I did not expect that. Okay, next I'm also gonna apply that reddish shade under my waterline. And I have to say, I really like the look of this. It's really giving me fall vibes, which is awesome considering it is fall. So I'm gonna go with this lighter color right there. You might not even see it, but it's just so to finish off the whole eye. Okay, we're gonna use the Mega Liner eyeliner, and it has a really fine tip. And yeah, it's from Wet n Wild, of course, so here we go. Just gonna do a really fine line. There. Next, I'm going to pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. Bing! And now I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm using the Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. So let's get that on there. Just a tad to add some color. There, that's good. Just a little something, something. And let's see, for the lips, I can either go with a pink or a red. Oh, I'm sorry, but the red is the winner. So I'm gonna go with the red one, the Undercover Lover. This lipstick is available in 12 different shades, and it's a little matte. Might as well, you know, a little highlighting powder never hurt anyone. So I'm gonna apply this gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter right around here. Ooh, yes. Finish it all off. Boom. And that is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So now that I filmed this beautiful look, I'm going to tell you guys which items are my favorite. One of the products that's my absolute favorite that I used to create this look was the eyebrow pencil. This pencil, people, is no joke. Okay, now I've used high-end pencils all the time. I still do. But if you are on a budget and you are looking for something that's a rifle that matches those high-end pencils, this is the pencil to use. I'm telling you, some of these drugstore pencils, you pencil your eyebrow and nothing happens. There's no pencil on your eyebrow. You have to like press on them really hard. This one is just like a high-end pencil. I kid you not. If you try it and you disagree, let me know. But I know you're gonna love this one, and I have to stock up on it before, you know, everyone goes and buys them, and then the store runs out, and then I don't have any, because these are a money saver. I kid you not. My next favorite item has to be the Photofocus 3-in-1 base. Good Lord, this stuff smells so good. And yeah, the only thing I wish is that the bottle was bigger, but it's okay because Wet n Wild is affordable, so we can buy plenty of these. But yeah, it's really refreshing when you spray it on. You can spray it on before your makeup, after your makeup, and throughout the day just to refresh your look. So yeah, that's another one of my favorites. Okay, so my third favorite item is definitely the highlighter. Yes, because, well, I don't have to say much, just look. How stunning, right? So that's all I have to say. Thank you to Wet n Wild for sponsoring this video. And of course, thank you to you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. You have no idea. Thank you for supporting me and all your kind comments and your kind words. And yeah, I'll be back again next week, and I hope you will be too. So have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you guys again soon.